Welcome. In this video, we will be exploring Docker Hub. Docker Hub is your central hub for containerized applications and Docker image management. Let's dive in and understand what it is all about. So, what exactly is Docker Hub? Docker Hub is a cloud-based registry service. It allows you to store, manage, and distribute Docker container images. It is hosted by Docker Incorporated and acts as a central repository for Docker images. Think of it as a giant library for Docker images. Now let's explore some of the key features of Docker Hub. It offers both public and private repositories. This means you can host images that are accessible to everyone, or keep them private for your team or organization. Docker Hub supports automated builds, which allows you to automatically build images from source code. Let's compare public and private repositories in a bit more detail. Public repositories are accessible to everyone and are free to use, making them great for open source projects. On the other hand, private repositories have restricted access, which is ideal for team collaboration and enterprise solutions. Now let's see how we can browse Docker Hub. To start, open hub.docker.com in your browser. Once you are on the site, use the search bar to find images that you need. Docker Hub contains lots of images. Let's look at some of the popular images available on Docker Hub. You can find images for Ubuntu, which is a Linux distribution, Node.js, a JavaScript runtime, Python, a programming language, MySQL, a database server, Nginx, a web server, and Alpine, a lightweight Linux distribution. Let's look at some basic commands to interact with Docker Hub. To download an image from Docker Hub, you can use the command docker pull followed by the image name. For example, docker pull Ubuntu will download the Ubuntu image. To find images on Docker Hub, you can use the command docker search followed by the search term. For example, docker search Nginx will find images related to the Nginx web server. To summarize, Docker Hub is your central repository for discovering and sharing container images. It is a cloud-based registry service with millions of ready-to-use images, and it offers easy integration with your Docker workflow. It's an essential tool for anyone working with Docker containers. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.